Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on our subtraction in two-part strategy. We practiced it last video and in the last few days. Now we're going to work on a little more of it and use some bigger numbers this time. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Let's say we have 45 cookies and you come and you eat 27 cookies. What? You've eaten 27 cookies in one day? Have you ever done that before? What's your record for how many cookies you've eaten before in a day? Sorry, what was that? What? I don't believe you. There's no way you ate that many cookies before. Okay, anyways. So we're going to look by subtracting the ones. So we're going to take, we have the 5 ones here, and we have the 7 ones here. So we're going to take 7, subtract 5 ones. But we know that's going to go below 40. So we're going to look to find what's our next closest friendly number. So remember, friendly numbers, like we've been talking about this year, end often in a 0 in the ones place value. So numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, you can always notice there's a 0 in the ones. It's a nice friendly number to work off of. So if we're subtracting, we're going below 44, 43, 42, 41. Yeah, that's right. We're going to eventually hit the number 40 as a friendly number. So let's think. 45 subtract what is going to get us to 40? 45 subtract what is going to get us to 40? That's right. 45 subtract 5. Subtract 5 is going to get us to 40 because 5 ones minus 5 ones is going to get us to 0 ones. So 45 subtract 5 will get us to 40. We think that in our head. Now we subtracted 5 ones. How many more ones do we need to subtract to get to 7 ones subtracted? We've subtracted 5 so far. So we're at 5. How many more do we need to get to 7? 6, 7, 2 more. So if we subtract 2 more from 40 now, we will have subtracted 7 in total. So I might have not known what 45 subtract 7 is on the top of my head, but I know what 45 subtract 5 is, and then from that I can do 40 subtract 2, and I know that's going to get me to 38. Okay, so we've worked with the ones now. Now we're ready to work on the tens, and this is going to be a lot more simpler. We're at 38, and how many tens do we need to subtract? That's right, 2 tens. So I'm going to subtract 2 tens. Now, if I do subtraction, I'm going to line it up like this. And 2 tens, which number is the tens in this number? Is it the 8? No, that's the ones. The 3 is the 10. So I'm just going to subtract 2 tens from 3. I'll just put it, well, we don't even need anything here. Here, I'm just going to put this to separate place values. So what's 3 minus 2 tens? So if you have 3 cookies and you eat 2 of them, how many cookies do you have left? That's right, 1. And then we've eaten 1, or so we have 1 left, and we'll just carry this 8 down here, because we knew we had an 8 in the ones from before. So we know that 45 subtract 27 gets us 18. Let's try one more with this strategy. And again, if this is a little bit tricky for you, that's okay. We're going to practice today, and you'll have your parents to help you out a little bit and have them watch this video if you need some more assistance. And we'll have Miss Wilson being able to help you out, and we'll keep working on it, and we'll be learning other strategies as well. So if this isn't your favorite strategy, that's okay. Try your best today, and if you find another strategy that works better for you down the line, that's one you can stick with. But for today, we want to try our best with this. Okay, let's do one more question. We have 63 subtract 34. So let's start with the ones. We have 63 cookies, and you and your family maybe ate 34 during the week. What's the difference? How many do you have left? So let's start with the ones. We have 4 subtract 3. So we know this is going to get below 60. What's our friendly number? Remember, the friendly number ends in a 0 in the ones. That's right. It's going to be 60. So 63 subtract what is going to equal to 60? How many ones do I need to subtract to get to 60? That's right, 3. We've now taken away 3 so far. Now, how many more do we need to subtract to get to 4 subtracted in total? Because we have 4 in our ones. That's right, 1 more. If I subtract 1 more, I know that I'm going to have 4 subtracted in total. So 60 minus 1 is 59. Now, so negative minus 3 minus 1, we get 4 total subtracted. Now we're ready to subtract the tens. So we have, how many tens do we need to subtract from? So we have to subtract 3 tens. But we're not subtracting it from 6. We have this number left over. So 3 tens, subtract 5 tens. So what's 5 subtract 3? If you have 5 cookies and you eat 3 of them, you have 2. That's right. So we know our ones is going to be 9. We already figured that out. And our tens is going to be 2 tens. So 63 minus 34 equals 29. Eventually you want to try and get to a point where, and this is down the road, so don't worry if you're not at this point, and this might not even be the strategy that works best for you, where I could think in my head, so 46 subtract 8. Well, I don't know what 46 subtract 8 is, but I know what 46 subtract 6 is. 46 subtract 6, because both have 6 in the ones, is going to be 40. And I've subtracted 6 so far. How many more do I need to subtract to get 8 in total? I need to subtract 2 more. So 40 subtract 2 is 38. If I'm using with a tens place value number as well, I say the question very similarly but different, is 46 subtract 18. I'd think 46 subtract 18. I don't know what that is, but I know I'm going to start with my ones. I have 6 ones and 8 ones. So 46 subtract 6 I know is going to be 40. I need to subtract another 2 to get 8 ones. That's going to be 38. So I'm at 38. And how many tens do I need to subtract? 1 10. So 10. 38 subtract 10, or 30 subtract 1 is going to be 20. So I have 28. So check out those questions posted online on your assignments. Try your best. And if you have any questions, Miss Wilson will be around tomorrow. And you can always send me a message. Have fun, good luck, and try your best.